that Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says there are meanings as deep as the deepest seas in the world, is because if you keep going to the masjid, inna as-salata tanha 'anil fahsha'i wal munkar. If you keep going towards the masjid, and if you keep sitting in the masjid, and if you keep praying with the people who are doing ruku and sujood, a time will come, Allah Rabbul Izzat will change your heart. This is how it happens. This is the nizam of Allah. We first have to understand the nizam of Allah. What happens? How does He make somebody come near Him? What place is this? This is the house of Allah. See, let's say, for example, my worst enemy comes to my house and says, I'm sorry, I want to meet you. My worst enemies, what will I do? Before he says a single word, I'm going to say, sir, just be quiet, don't say anything. I have forgotten everything. You're in my house. You've specifically come to my house. Have you eaten? You will, to the worst of my enemy, I'm going to make him sit down, I'm going to make him eat, I'm going to make him drink, and I'm going to say, listen, just forget about everything. You and I are brothers from today. Why? Because you came to my house.